time to dominate Buddy's Enemy Burger. We're here with Scott Jones, the owner of Buddy's Burgers. What's going on, brother?
Not much, man.
Dude,
excited to serve you.
It is time to crush the Enemy Burger.
See if you can do it.
Come on, brother. Tell me what's on with the Enemy Burger.
The Enemy is 16 3-ounce patties, 16 slices of cheese, 8 slices of bacon, 2 buns, and a large fry. All in under 25 minutes.
Oh, come on, bro. 20 minutes? No, I'm kidding. Dude, that sounds delicious. I've been here a bunch of times. One of my favorite burgers. Buddy's. Damn, this place is good. Countless toppings, hand-cut fries, and sauces made from scratch. Fully approved by the Moe Train, that's for sure. In the kitchen where it's all about to go down, the Moe Train back where Buddy's is cooking our burgers. Check this out. This is unbelievable. There are a lot of burgers on this thing, enough to feed the entire market, but Oink Oink and myself are gonna crush these.
So we got 8 slices of bacon, you got 16 slices of cheese, 16 patties, and
hold on a sec, time out. That is not 8
well, that's
slices
per
of bacon.
an enemy, so you're getting 2 of them, so that's 32 total. So you got 32 slices of cheese, 32 patties, 16 slices of bacon, and we also got 2 pounds of fries that go along with that. It's a lot of food, man.
This is unbelievable.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Like, I love you guys' burgers, and I'm just ready to jump on this flat top right now, just like crushing them. Dude, thank you so much. Very excited. Started during your gloves, but
Oh, it's alright. We'll change them.
I got my eating gloves on right now.
You're ready, man.
When I'm ready to eat, it's time to bandana, the eating gloves, it's time to crush it. Let's do it. It's about time to eat a ton of meat. It's time to beat the meat. The train, Oink Oink, in Kennett Square. Buddy's Burgers with a crowd getting ready to watch this spectacle.
What we do here is go back.
Hey, let's start on 3, 2, 1, let's go.
It's about time. Hot, delicious. There is a ton of cheese and bacon on here, dude. What are you thinking?
Come on, give him a round of applause. Here we go, here we go.
Dude, I feel great. These are delicious. It's a sin to eat these so fast. The Buddy's Burgers are amazing. I'll tell you what though, that's a lot of bacon, a lot of cheese. It's heavy as shit. Nothing? We're 5 minutes in. We both have finished both burgers pretty much. Oh, we're getting there. Right now I'm getting the meat sweats, that's for sure.
I'm definitely sweating.
Oh, fuck. Hey kids, you want to help?
16 patties.
Every time I do this, same question all the time. Why do I do this to
I think
myself?
like 7,500 calories. And I feel every single one of those calories. I'm starting to see the bottom of the plate right now. I'm getting a second win. In this battle of Oink and Train versus the Buddy, I can't just breathe right now. We dominated, that's all I gotta say. I really want to puke. I don't want to do it in front of everybody.
I ain't gonna hold it.
Officially the first one to conquer the enemy. Kennett Square.
That's awesome.
Well played.
I'm speechless, bro. Did I think that I was gonna conquer this beast, this mountain of meat? Get out of here. Of course I did. How did it feel to put down almost 7 pounds of food and beer in less than 20 minutes? It felt like my ribs were exploding. They were pushing their way out. The meat sweats were dripping through my pores. And at the end, I was ready for a nap. Being the first in Kennett Square to dominate the Buddy's Enemy Burger Challenge is a hell of a way to embark on the road to Wing Bowl. But now, I have a challenge for the big man, Scott Jones, the owner of Buddy's. The Train challenges you to put one of the most over-the-top, decidedly delicious, badass burgers of all time on your menu. Yeah, that's right. I'm talking about adding a Moe Train burger.